In this video, we're going to show you the 3 methods that we use when we were starting from home. First method that you can use is using custom transfers or stock transfers. So what are stock transfers? Stock transfers are designs that are already placed on the website. A company already have a large list of transfers or designs based on what your niche is. And if you are just starting your t-shirt business, you need to figure out a niche. And let me know in the comments below what niche you have already decided to be a part of. For me, when I started, I was in the into the religious niche. So I was able to go in there and pick my stock transfers. And this here is a design that we started with. This design here, we sold a bunch of shirts using just this God Got Me design. And all this is screen printed. This is a design, definitely screen printed. Somebody screen printed this onto this piece of paper. I didn't have to do any work. The company designed it. They put it on the website. I just go and paid a little price for it. It comes in and I apply it. So that's a good way you can start when you're figuring out which method to go with when starting your t-shirt business from home. This method here is great for a startup, especially if you don't have any design background, you don't know anything about Illustrator, Photoshop, you don't really even have customers yet. You just want to test the waters and see if those designs will sell or if people are even interested in your t-shirts. This is a good method to go. Custom screen printed transfers, or some people call it custom plastisol transfers, because these transfers are printed with plastisol ink or water-based ink, but the most popular one that you'll find out there are plastisol ink. Okay, so how does this work? You have a design, so now you have stepped over from the stage where you took the time to learn all the design programs. You're actually making designs now, but you don't have the budget yet to get into screen printing, or you don't have the space, because this is something that you're doing from home. We started our business in a closet space in our house. We didn't have the budget to get into the $10,000 investment to start screen printing, or getting one of those Amazon press to start screen printing. So we started digging in to find out companies that would sell us screen printed transfers. So we came across companies like Transfer Express, F&M Expressions. And by the way, check out the video we have for F&M Expressions. I'll link it somewhere in the description or in the comments down below. Great company that sell custom transfers if you're interested. But what you can do here is you go on the computer, you design your artwork, or the customer gives you your artwork. You're able to upload that artwork or send this artwork to this company, and the company is going to print you something like this, or whatever your design is. And then that comes to you, and it comes with direction, and you're able to apply that onto your garment. This method is just like screen printing, except it's applied onto a piece of paper. It's the same exact method. If they were applying it onto a shirt, it would be the same thing, but to cut out all the dirty work, the learning curve, and everything that goes with screen printing, you just jump right to the clean part of it, and that's ordering custom transfers. These custom plastisol transfers are great for someone that's starting their screen printing business from home. You purchase your vinyl cutter, and your next method now is to use heat transfers vinyl, aka HTV. Each HTV, in order to use this method, you would need a vinyl cutter and your heat press. Based on what type of vinyl cutter you want, let me know if you're interested in a video about vinyl cutters, and we'll make that video for you to help you buy the right vinyl cutter based on your business needs. But how this vinyl cutter thing works, there's 3 methods here. It's cutting, weeding, and applying. So first thing, you do your design, send it to your platter. Your platter is also the vinyl cutter. The vinyl cutter is gonna cut it. It's got a blade in there that's gonna cut this design out just exactly like you was tracing it. And then you come over to your heat press and you apply that. That vinyl cutter is going to be the best investment that you're going to make, apart from the very first investment you made with your heat press. So if you have spent the time and learned how to really use your vinyl cutter, there is so much more that you can use to expand your home-based t-shirt business. So when buying a heat press, you need to think about a space, because right now it's starting from home, but I strongly recommend to start. If you have the budget, you can go ahead and buy the expensive heat presses out there. But when we started off with this budget press from Amazon. This budget press has been working for us for the longest. I mean, for the past 3-4 years now, we've been using this press, and this thing is a money maker. If you invest in this cutter, if you invest in this heat press, it's gonna pay for itself probably with your first order. And the next thing that you're gonna need, of course, is your garment. It don't necessarily have to be a t-shirt. With your heat press, you can literally make money pressing on all types of fabric, garments, tote bags. You can do hats, whatever it is. If you're interested in videos and doing anything besides t-shirts, leave a comment down below. We will get to it and we'll make that video for you to help you through your process of starting your t-shirt business. There's different methods. I like to load my t-shirts upside down, of which the collar is facing me at the bottom. So I like to load it up, bring it in, and pro tip. Here's a pro tip, you got an extra bonus for this. When you're loading, you want to make sure your collar or the neckline to your shirt is actually not on your press. And to get good pressure on your shirt, you have to keep the neckline or any seams off of your press. Alright? So, you've gone ahead, you placed it, give it a quick pre-press. I like to give it a pre-press here. Once the pre-press is done, I'm gonna take my heat transfer vinyl. And based on the type of vinyl that you're using, you wanna make sure you got your temperature for that particular vinyl. Today we're using Easy Weed, and our Easy Weed press at 305 for 12 to 15 seconds. There it is. Bam. And then at this point, you're just peeling the backing off of your heat transfer vinyl. Put that in the trash, and you got yourself a brand new t-shirt that you can go ahead and make money out of. Using our screen printed plastic solid transfer, based again on the type of method or the company that you order your transfers from, they're gonna send you a time and temperature for the application. When we started, those were the method that we started with. You don't necessarily have to do all 3 of them when just starting up, but they could come in handy based on the budget that you have, or with using your heat press. And like I said, none of these can be done without that initial investment of a heat press. So based on that investment, you're able to expand your home-based business out of your house within a couple years. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up, subscribe. We got great videos like this coming out each and every week. Thanks for watching. Question of the day: which method did you find useful? Let me know at the bottom. Let's talk about it. Until next time, I'm Erastus again from Garment Creations, and we're out.